Welcome to this instructional video by FSI and Mizuho OSI, your guide to setting up and breaking down the Trios table. Our goal is to equip your team with the essential knowledge on how to properly set up the Trios Radiolucent Imaging Tabletop. FSI requires all partner agents and drivers to undergo this training prior to pickup or delivery of the Trios table. Make sure to find a large enough area to remove the table from the crate. It is recommended to have a two-person team to set up and break down the Trios table. On the right side of the crate, unlock the top and bottom latches. Open the crate door. Remove the front strap that holds up the ramp. Place the straps away from the ramp. Lower the ramp to the floor. Then fold open the second part of the ramp. At the bottom of the crate, unclip the top and bottom latches on both the right side and left side of the table block. There will be two top latches, left and right, and four front latches left and right that secure the table block in place. Repeat on the opposite side of the crate. Once the clips are undone, remove the table block and set it on top of the crate so it will be out of the way. Pull the Trios table base out of the crate and guide it down the ramp. Once down the ramp, place the table in an area that is large enough to extend the base. There are two different tabletops for the Trios: a radiolucent imaging top and a spinal surgery tabletop. Turn the knob at the bottom of the table to loosen the bolt for the table extension. Then pull the table to extend it so that the tabletop will fit. When the table is extended, tighten the knob. Head back over to the crate and pull out the translucent tabletop. Press the two black levers located at the front of the table to release the table from the sliding track on the crate. Press the black levers at the back of the table to fully release the tabletop. Set the tabletop on the tower mounts. After the tabletop is attached, head to the rear of the crate to grab the accessories. Find the power cord and the hand pendant in the lower bin of the rear of the crate. Plug the hand pendant cord into the side port of the table and hang the hand pendant on the side. Find a nearby outlet and plug the power cable in. Next, connect the power cable to the Trios table. Press the button directly above, it should illuminate green. Ensure that the hand pendant powers up. In the back of the crate, find 3 of the Trios universal side rail mounts. Take the 3 Trios universal side rail mounts and set them on top of the table for the upcoming lab. The setup of the radiolucent top table on the Trios is now complete. When the lab is over, the table is ready to break down. Head to the back of the crate and open the back door. Unplug the hand pendant and then turn off the power to the Trios table. Unplug the power cable to the Trios at the bottom of the table and the wall plug. Then coil up the cord. Place the accessories into the back of the crate. Depending on the lab, you may see the spinal surgery accessories or the radiolucent imaging accessories. Once all the accessories have been removed from the table, lift the tabletop from the Trios tabletop and place back in the crate. When inserting the tabletop to the crate, align the tracks on the table base to the crate tracks. Once the tracks are aligned, slide the table into the crate. You will also have to align the tracks once fully inserted to the crate to make sure that the tabletop is secure for transport. Head back to the Trios table base and then loosen the knob. Now push the table together. Then tighten the knob. Roll the table back into the crate. Grab the table block from the top of the crate and insert into the crate. Make sure to clip the top and bottom latches on both the right side and left side of the table block. There will be 2 top latches, left and right, and 4 front latches left and right that secure the table block in place. Don't forget to do this step so that the table is secured for transport. Once the table block is secure, close the ramp. Find the straps to secure the ramp and lock in place. Close the crate door and lock the top and bottom latches to the crate. Now the Trios crate is ready for transport. From everyone here at Freight Services and Mizuho OSI, we appreciate you taking the time to watch this training film. We look forward to working with you in the future. This concludes the Trios Table training film. If you have any additional questions, please call Freight Services.